Hello everyone, it's Varun here. In this video, we are going to talk about login and the registration options, and these options are going to help you to have branded WordPress login page and the registration page. So these are the possible variant what we have. Let me go to the customizer first. WordPress login setting, you have to make sure this option is enabled, enable custom login. And then it will have some layout like this one, where you can include your logo, include different background. So these are the options where you are going to include your logo. You have to set a width on that one. Normally a rectangular logo, it is good for there. So I will suggest like you can use 200 or 80 pixel height. And you can also put a link for your website, and you can also put a title on that one. So what title are going to display on the login page, that will be this one. And if you have different theme options, then you can navigate it there. So this is one option, second option, third option, fourth option. And you can also have a split variant there. You can also change the text and the description for this one. And we also have option for change of background. And the form content can be adjusted as per requirement, because we have dark mode and the light mode. So obviously you have to change them as per your requirement. The initial configuration was for the dark mode. So when you are going to change the light mode, obviously you have to adjust the font color and everything. So we have given you every possible flexibility where you can adjust the font width, the border radius, the login link color, form color, input text color, readme color. You can control everything from these options. And for the registration page, you can also have a split view where you can select a background image. You can also have a custom heading, and you can also control what text it is going to be displayed on the right hand side, left hand side. And in the right hand side, you will have the login screen, just like we have demonstrated in our documentation pages. So you can have some layout like this one. You can have a different background, different text as per our configuration options. So that will give you a complete flexibility over that one. And inside the written documentation, we have also explained what each template work and how exactly you are going to display them. For password reset page, the same configuration what you are going to display it on the login page, the same page it is going to be used for the reset password page. For the registration page, the split background what I have displayed you, either you have the single page login registration page, or the split view login page registration page. And once the toggle is enabled, then it will display like this one. And suppose that if you have going to use the BuddyPress, then you can also include a couple of fields there what are going to be displayed on the registration page. So this page can be used with BuddyPress and without BuddyPress. And next, so these three documentation will already guide you enough about the branded login page and the registration page, and you do not need any third-party plugin to rebrand your login pages. You can utilize the theme inbuilt option for this one. And for custom login page, like you want to use, instead of using wp-login.php, if you want to use /login, in those cases you can use any page builder, have a visit or login form there, and then you can map it to the using our page mapping option. And in that way you can also have /login as a login registration page. For any further questions, contact us. Thank you.